Are you a fleet manager and facing challenges that impact both productivity and profitability while managing your fleets? As a fleet manager, efficiency is a key, but unfortunately, most fleet managers find themselves immersed in tasks that are both time consuming and just may add a little to the bottom line of the company. We are going to see the solutions over challenges. In this case, you can switch to digital solutions to take care of these jobs. Here are the most common challenges you may be facing and to overcome them by telematics and workflow automation. Very first point, excessive time spent on fleet management admin tasks. Time spent on administration tasks that are not the core business activities are just reducing your productivity and ultimately limiting the amount of time you can spend on revenue generation activities. Actually, paper-based systems add an additional layer of administrative duties to your tasks, which slows your processing time. By embracing a more digitized workflow, admin tasks will require less of your time and reduce the task of human errors and miscommunications. With the help of digitized workflow, you can automate communication and can schedule other routine tasks like sending job to your fleet drivers, invoicing and billing your customers, routining and scheduling your drivers, managing your operating expenses, creating service and maintenance reminders, and conducting vehicle checks. Second point is the high cost of fuel. Fuel is a major cost for any company that runs a fleet. An important component of a fleet manager's responsibilities is fuel management and finding way to save on fuel cost and consumptions. Now, how to manage fuel effectively? Identify fuel consumption trends to reduce usage in your entire fleet. To do this, you need to consistently track fuel consumption, check instances of overuse of fuel, monitor drivers' behavior and how it impacts fuel consumption, implement digitization through vehicle telematics to reduce fuel usage, reduce the idle time. According to the survey, the typical service fleet vehicle could burn up to 5 liters of fuel every day. So, if you are a fleet owner and let's say having 50 vehicles, so idling can quickly become a very large expense for you. Next is using the digital software enables fleet management software to analyze drivers' behavior, providing you with insights into idle times and your driver's performance in the field. Third point is raising fleet vehicles maintenance cost. Vehicle maintenance is critical. Your fleet of vehicles need to keep running smoothly to prevent unexpected breakdowns, which can be expensive. Even sometimes not checking tire pressures can result in huge expense. Solution is automate your maintenance schedules. When are your vehicles due for maintenance? If you are not sure, this could be a biggest cost than you anticipate. As a fleet manager, you can use digital solution to monitor maintenance schedules, alerting you when a vehicle shows sign of malfunction so that you can act before it suffers a costly breakdown. The fourth point is relaying messages accurately to the fleet drivers and miscommunications. Communication with your driver as a fleet manager can be challenging because you are often dealing with the drivers out on the road, not on site. Reaching your drivers via email or phone is not always possible, making communication even more complex. Miscommunication is very common between fleet managers and their teams, and this can lead to assigned schedules not being followed correctly. How to improve communication with your fleet drivers? Solutions. Modern organizations are using software and digital solutions to streamline and simplify the way they manage their people in the field. While messages and orders can be sent with greater clarity to the drivers, also gives a more complete view to the fleet owner that how your fleet is performing on the road. Point fifth is controlling unauthorized use of company assets. Fleet managers are unable to monitor all assets effectively. Misuse of company assets, such as using vehicles outside of work hours or outside of designated areas, along with dangerous driving, can result in an additional cost to the company as well as potential risks. Solution is fleet management software can be configured to monitor all company assets around the clock. Information such as vehicle speed, location, and usage can be reported on with alerts sent directly to the manager's mobile device. Now, let's discuss the advantages of fleet management software. Digitalizing these fleet management jobs not only reduces the time spent managing these tasks daily, but also frees up fleet managers to focus on providing a better service to the customers. Telematics will help you to have a clear understanding of what is happening on the road. Embracing digitization means you are able to communicate better and more frequently with your drivers and the entire team. Your fleet is also more visible, giving you more control over your vehicles. Better communication means more efficient routines and sticking to the schedules. Consistently delivering a quality service to the customers is crucial to business success. For more information, please contact us through sales@vamosis.com, else support@vamosis.com. Thank you.